What happened to you? You don't look so fresh. What is silicone? I will tell you everything you need to know about silicone. The silicone comes with two bottles, one part A and one part B. Actually, I use the one called Plastil Gel. There is 3 cans of Plastil Gel. Here, this is the gel WA and the gel WB. But you have also the gel 10 and the gel 25. Here, this is the Plastil Gel 10 part A. I will show you how look like the silicone. You see, the part A and the part B need to be mixed together 50-50. And then, with a curing time, they become solid and they made the silicone. You can only order silicone from 2 kg, per A 1 kg and per B 1 kg. And when you make a lot of things, you can order a little bit more. The silicone don't have any color, it's translucid, so we need to add pigment. They are professional and they work only for the silicone. You have the primary color, some flesh. I use a lot of foundation for making realistic fake skin. I have a lot of things. Here, this is the silicone when there is no color at all. Like you can see, it's not really white, but there is no color. It looks like this. And when you add pigment silicone, you can have color. You have a lot of possibility because you can mix the color together to get the result that you want. There is also a few specific products like the Xiameter Fixo. With this you can make the silicone thicker. You have also the Smith prosthetic designer. There is a lot of kind of silicone, but only a few suppliers around the world. I use the silicone Plastil Gel 0010 and 25. He's from USA and he's made with the Society Polytech Industry. They are really the leader in the world about making good quality silicone. Now you will touch your skin. Do you see this feeling? It's like soft. I call this the traceability. When you work with the silicone, like the gel 00 or the gel 10 or the gel 25, you only got one single traceability. But when you add some specific product like the Smith prosthetic designer, you can have a lot of possibility and have access to a lot of new traceability. Here, this is my realistic meal pad. He's made with the traceability 15, and like you can see, he's really elastic. But now, if I show you one of my baby, he's made with another traceability, and you see, he's more hard. One other example, my centipede cartoon, he's also very elastic, even more. You see. And it's not only about elasticity, it's also about feeling. When you touch it, you really feel something different. It's really close to the skin. Actually, in the world, if you want to make fake realistic skin, you must use silicone to get the same result from a human body. You can have the exact same feeling about the touch, the softness and the elasticity with the traceability. When you use the Smith prosthetic designer, you see here a kind of simple chart. But the thing about this simple chart is she's not complete. The traceability with this chart is really small, and in fact when we work with silicone and the traceability, we need to do a lot of try, like hundreds of try, and lose a lot of money to do it. For making my professional full and complete traceability, it cost me a lot, and it took me like over maybe a year to do it. This is the full traceability I made. And in the training Infinity, I will teach you how to make the complete and perfect traceability ready to use easily with no trouble at all. You see the gel 25, here the gel 10, and the gel W. Like I said, you see there is a lot of different color, and here this is the silicone gel when there is no color at all. Let me pick some example for you to see how elastic the traceability is. There is 3 ways to understand the traceability. First, you touch it, like when you touch your skin. Second, you push, like you push your skin, and then you can press it like this. And with the traceability, you can make realistic fat and very realistic fake skin in silicone. So this is basically how work the traceability. You touch like this and you say, okay, I want that one, and you pick the number, you look at your PDF file, and then bam, you make your question with the same traceability. And when you will touch your question, you will got the same feeling as this little piece. This is how work the traceability. Now I will show you my 2 baby centipedes. One is a cartoon, there is only one full color, black, and the second is ultra realist. And why? Because there is not one full color, but you see here the color, it's pretty clear, and there is a few layers of different color, and this is what make the look realistic. And this is why the first one is cartoon, because there is no deep at all. You can really see the difference. When you work with silicone, you always choose the first color. Here it was of course white, and then with the pigmentation realistic, like for the realistic centipede, you add a few color. I put some yellow, a little bit of black, a few brown, the teeth was red. You can see when I touch it, I choose a very elastic traceability. The traceability of the little horn are different. Each piece has his unique and professional traceability. Same for the eyes. To make Big Daddy, I use, like you can see here, a first layer of white, and then I add some black, red, and that's pretty much everything. But it's a few layers, and they need to be in order to get that result. Now you can look at my YouTube channel to discover all of my creation and everything about my training Infinity, but here I really hope now you understand what is clearly silicone and how to use it. Of course, I will teach you how to make your own full and complete traceability to get the result that you want for your creation. About, remember, the touch, when you touch it, the elasticity, and when you press it. And this is why silicone is so great, because you can really do like just whatever you want, and this is really awesome. So see you soon on Infinity.